Of the top 8 is, this is your last one, all right, is Faith Fuller. Come on out here, honey. Hi, Faith.
Hi.
All right, she is going to sing, it's really kind of fun, I'm glad you're doing this one now, Don't Stop Believing by Journey. Her hobbies are singing, acting, writing, reading, and she also plays the piano, but she's not doing that tonight. She loves to sell some dark blue. She's got her dark wash jeans on. Now, she's got some performances here that obviously were not here. She performed in the community. Best Christmas pageant ever twice. So, who was that with, and what did you get to do in that one?
That was at St. Norbert's, and I was just an angel.
The angels are so important. She did On the Air. What was that?
That was through our church. I was Violet.
Very cool. Guys and Dolls, which was here last year. Nutcracker, the musical, and that was through
Abrams Spotlight Productions.
So with Preston. That's probably where Preston stuff is. The Truth About Cinderella, and you are currently in Seussical Musical. Wow, that is a lot of, this is obviously a passion of yours because she's pursuing those outside interests, and that's very, very cool. This is really cool. Her hero is her music because it inspires her no matter what mood she's in, no matter how she's feeling, music goes with it. And it's sometimes, then you just don't have to think. And I like that way of thinking, because I think a lot of us use music as a way to relieve stress and kind of goes with our moods or to get us excited, or some mornings a little 12 in the morning and I got my coffee, I just need to jam a little bit to moves like Jagger. Anyone else with me on that? All right, Faith, give it everything you got, or don't stop believing. Here you go.